Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sign up for an account on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Grubhub website. You can either do that guys by searching Google for Grubhub. So just for search for Grubhub guys, and the first result is going to be grubhub.com, or you can directly enter in the grubhub.com URL at the top of the page and just click search and it will open up the website. So if you are on your mobile phone, it's going to look a bit different, but it's going to be the same thing. But basically guys, after entering the website or the application, you are going to have the option to either order in the app without signing in, or you have the option to sign in. So what we want to do guys to be able to create an account is go ahead and click the sign in option right here. And this will take us to this new page where we can go ahead and sign in. As you can see, we do not have an account. So what we want to do is go ahead and click the create your account option right here. Click on create your account guys, and here just enter in your info, your email and password that you're going to use, and click on create your account, and this will automatically create your account. You will just have to confirm it and then you will get started with using Grubhub. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you get started. After you create an account and log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you have and you'll be able to successfully start ordering. But yeah guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.